Hi, I will show you how to remove the Peroni cover. I'll turn around the booster. I'll remove the backrest from the bar, unzip it, pull each side one at a time, then the other, like so. For the bottom part, I'll remove each buttons one at a time, hold the bar, gently slide up. We also have two straps I'll need to remove, and the other side, and there it is. Hi, I will now show you how to put back the cover of the Peroni. I will start with the bottom part. I will slide into the bar's handle one at a time, then the other. Put back each strap into the gap. Make sure the cover goes underneath. This the other side. Put back the cover under the gap. Then I will put back the buttons by snapping it, and the second one for the backrest. I will insert one side at a time once again. And zip it down. Then I can put it back onto the bar, like so. There it is, the Peroni.